So, hi guys, my name is Andre Alvar from Quezon Province and this is my Kwentong Unisilver Time. This is my watch.
So, this watch was a Christmas gift from my late father during the Christmas of 2013. So, this February 2024, nasa 10 years and 2 months na rin siya sa akin, and it's still working good. And I was wearing this since I was still in high school, makagraduate ng high school, nag-college, makagraduate ng college, pag-apply ng trabaho, and ngayon, working professional na rin ako. This watch is still working really well. And my most memorable experience wearing this watch is I wore this during the pre-employment exam and feeling ko may good luck pen talagang bigay sa akin tong watch na to. And in terms of durability, Unisilver watch pa rin talaga guys. So that is my Kwentong Unisilver Time.